My name is Rachel Gongob. I am here to present my system entitled of Employee Management System. So, import Java Swing gives access to Swing components like GFrame, GPanel, GLabel, and GButton. And Java Abstract Window Toolkit gives access to layout, managers, colors, image, and etc. Swing is built on top of, so they often together. Public class dashboard extend JFrame. This class extends JFrame, meaning it is a window for the application. JFrame is the top level container that holds panels, buttons, labels, and etc. Set title is home. Set size is 900. Height is 600. Set layout border. The set layout manager divides the south window into north, south, east, and west center. So GPanel top panel equals new GPanel, new border layout. Set background is 178, 54, B is 54. Creates a GPanel with border layout so we can place things left and right. Sets dark red background and sets a fixed height 60. So on top panel, home border layout is west, and on top panel logout button border layout is east. So there is a logout button. A set for background is color white, and set focus painted is false, and set border painted is false. So there is creates a panel with border layout so we can place things left and right. Set dark red background and sets a fixed height 60. So those lines create icon panel method. Each panel has an icon button from a given image and a label employee, view, uh, view, salary, which are later displayed side by side in the main window. So these lines and three panels employees, view, and salary into the center panel. Since center panel use a grid layout 1, 3, 40, the panels are placed in side by side in row with spacing between them. So employee panel get components gets the first component icon, the button inside the employee panel. Clicking it opens a new window, employee window. Same for view panel and salary, which open windows and salary window. Logouts add action listeners, closes the whole program when logout is clicked. Set visible finally shows the dashboard window on screen. So GPanel create icon string text, string icon path, GPanel new equals new panel new and new border. Set background is color white and label send font is Arial and font is bold, size 14. Button border layout is center and label border layout is south. Resize method takes an image icon and resize it to the given width and height. Icon get image gets the original image. get scaled instance resize is smoothly better quality. Returns a new get icon with the scaled image. So main method entry point of the program. Swing utilities ensures the ensures the graphical user interface is created on event dispatch thread the safe way in Swing and launches the home dashboard window. Class employee window extends gframe public employee window. Set title is employee section. Set size is width 400 and height is 400. Set location relative is null. Set default close operation gframe dispose on close. Set visible as true. Same as the view window and the salary window. That's all. Thank you, sir.